Hi everybody, in this video we're going to look at something really important in economics, which is how to calculate a percentage change. This might be something that you've learnt already in maths, and in the UK you'll have learnt it at GCSE, but we need to be very certain that we're doing this correctly, because if you can't work out a percentage change properly, you're going to find lots of other calculations very difficult or even impossible. The very simple way of doing this is to work out your change divided by your original figure and to multiply it by 100. That will give you a percentage change. A way of working out the change is to do the new number to take away the old number. So another way of writing this equation could be new number minus old number over the old number times 100. These are exactly the same, so you can use one or the other. But you need to remember this, memorize it, and then you'll be able to do any percentage change. I've got 4 different examples of going from one number to another here, and you could stop the video now and you can work out what the percentage change is for questions 1, 2, 3 and 4. And then you can carry on the video and look at the answers. So now we're going to go through number 1. So here we're going from 400 to 420. So your calculation is going to be 420, take away 400 to find out your change, divided by the original number, 400, and then we multiply this by 100. And this will be 20 over 400 times 100. And this will then equal 0.05 times 100. And your example is going to be 5, and it's a percentage change, so you put percent. The next one, this will be 110, take away 60, over your original figure, 60, times 100. And that will equal 50 divided by 60 times 100. And that works out as 0.83 recurring times 100, and therefore your answer is going to be 83.33%, and this is to 2 decimal places. And in economics we generally write our answers, and in A-level economics we always do, to 2 decimal places, so you round up to 2 decimal places. Number 3, be careful here. This is going to be 20 take away 55 over the original 55 times 100. Be careful here, the number's gone down. When you work this out, this is going to work out to negative 35. Really important that you've got the negative sign in there. Divided by the original 55 times 100. And this equals negative 0.636, and we have to times that by 100. And that equals negative 63.64 to 2 decimal places. So this negative sign, very important. And don't forget, it's a percentage change, so you need the percentage at the end. Number 4. Last one, again the number's going down, be careful. So this one is going to be 16 take away 44 divided by your original 44 times 100. And that will be negative 28 divided by 44 times 100. And this equals negative 0.636 times 100. And that equals negative 63.64 to 2 decimal places. And don't forget your percentage sign, really important. So in all of them, we've got to make sure we've got our percentage sign. And you need to be very careful if they are negatives, if it's actually going downwards. This is very strange. I did these completely randomly, and these ones have worked out the same. So that's how to work out your percentage change.